Across Vermont, they've been calling this flood the 1,000-year flood. But when 1,000-year floods happen every few years, how much coverage do homeowners really need? It is hard to know where to begin when there is so little left.
Come on in, sorry.
And when we met Amy Roger last week, she'd hit rock bottom.
I don't even know where to begin.
6 feet of water in her basement, a home filled with mud.
The hot water heater is floating over there.
And questions about how much she's insured for.
The less you think and the more you do, the easier it gets.
Like so many homeowners across Vermont, catastrophic flash flooding left Amy here in shock. But now, this latest natural disaster in America is serving as a reminder about the growing importance of flood insurance. Homeless for now.
Yeah.
In the United States, flood insurance is managed by FEMA under the National Flood Insurance Program, or NFIP. Coverage is delivered to the public by a network of more than 50 insurance companies. The government underwrites all coverage plans because flood insurance is so inherently risky. No private insurers will take on the costs alone.
People are getting in situations where severe weather events are becoming more common.
That is Mark Brown. He teaches risk management at St. John's University. Most NFIP policies only provide up to $250,000 in home repairs. Brown says that is part of the reason why many homeowners should be looking into supplemental coverage, especially as climate change only increases the frequency of flood events.
Events are hitting in places that I think were not foremost in people's minds. I don't know if a lot of people would have been thinking about severe flooding events in Vermont or cars being washed away in floods north of Philadelphia.
Something else is happening in the insurance market. Many companies are leaving states that are too expensive to insure. In Louisiana, more than 24 insurance companies have either gone insolvent or withdrawn from the market entirely.
I think people definitely need to have a good risk management plan in place.
We're getting more violent, larger rainstorms.
It's not just homeowners facing losses, though. In Vermont, an estimated 7,000 acres of farmland were flooded.
It hit right when those crops were headed to farmers markets, headed to their farm stands, headed to retail operations, to supermarkets.
Anson Tebbets is the state's Secretary of Agriculture. They have set up emergency funds for farmers seeking assistance and are even working to provide drone access for farmers trying to document damage.
They may be to deploy those dollars quicker to these farmers to get to some cash quickly.
This is what I was just about to look through. It's a FEMA claim book.
As for homeowners, many like Adam Woogmaster are getting well acquainted with FEMA brochures.
This says, my property has no losses on file for flood damage.
Woogmaster is combing through the fine print to see what kind of coverage he has before making a claim on his 100-year-old farmhouse. You know, what are kind of your lingering thoughts now that it's been a couple days?
Mostly gratitude that nobody around me got hurt.
As floodwaters recede, the question now becomes, how much will homeowners be on the hook for? Chris Conti, Scripps News, Barrie, Vermont.